Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the HP Pavilion 17 driver download. So guys, open any browser, Mozilla Chrome, and Google search box to type as it is same. Okay, then if you see, this is officially website support.hp.com. Okay, driver and model. Just right click to open new tab and go to this tab. Wait few seconds, it is free. And you can see if you change the operating system, okay, no versions there, so you just select Windows 10. Okay, and this is BIOS diagnostic, Windows driver, and all the driver are available. So guys, one by one install. First try to audio driver. Okay, so install this one. Okay, I show you how to download and how to install. Okay, all the method is same. This is chipset, so try to first click to download, wait few seconds, again go to back, click to download key. Okay, which is install chipset and then graphic card driver. So use NVIDIA graphic card driver, NVIDIA graphic card driver, this is size. Okay, and click to download it. Keyboard, and this is button, touchpad driver, wireless. Okay, this is also touchpad. So install this one and touchpad only. Install two driver in this. And network, so this is wireless, means your Wi-Fi driver. This is local area network and this is Bluetooth. So install first and second and third. Okay, so guys, install only audio, chipset, graphic card, keyboard and network. Okay, and then install, which is file how to downloaded file to how to install. Click on this file, then click to yes, given to permissions, then again click to next. I accept, then again next. This is installation, save file locations. If you can change, so you can change and select the best part which is you required, then click to next. Okay, this is install. So date type, all the installations process is the same, so you can follow this and then install it. And if you facing some issues, so please comment me, I will support you shortly. Okay, thank you so much.